You're about to see the results of 2 experiments that I recorded with my wife Claire to explore the mechanism behind heart rate variability synchronization. The data was recorded on a smartphone app that we developed to record, analyze, and display the heart rates of 2 people in real time. The first experiment was recorded in the same room. I'm now going to ask Claire to turn around so she can't see me, and I'm going to stop speaking so my voice doesn't affect her heart rate. What you are looking at here is a display from the Synchronisation app showing our heart rates changing in real time. Mine is in blue and Claire's is in red. I am now focusing my attention on Claire and feeling my love, appreciation and gratitude for her. I'm also deliberately changing my breathing pattern so it is deeper and longer than normal. Notice how my heart rate rises on the in-breath and falls on the out-breath. You can see that Claire's heart rate is beginning to synchronize with mine, suggesting that her breathing is also synchronizing. I promise you that I'm not following her heart rate changes here. I'm driving her heart rate through my focused breath and attention. We know from research that this smooth rising and falling pattern is associated with the experience of love. So it seems that my love for her is being communicated to her in some way. To show that the first synchronization was not a coincidence, I have distracted myself from Claire. Gradually, my breathing pattern subsides along with Claire's. Then I focus again on her and return to my more distinct breathing pattern. Once again, Claire's heart rate responds. Here is the whole session showing the 2 periods of focus. Notice the synchronization of heart rate patterns related to the breathing, but also the way our average heart rates rise and fall together. You may be thinking there's another explanation for the synchronization that I've just shown you. Perhaps Claire is hearing my breathing patterns changing and responding unconsciously. To show you that this is not the case, I'm going to ask Claire to turn around now and leave the room and go into a hallway next door. She's going to open the door and then close it behind her so she can't hear me or see me. Now we're going to repeat the demonstration in separate rooms. As in the first demonstration, the pink bar shows when I'm focusing my love on Claire and at the same time adjusting my breathing pattern that you can see in blue. As I speed up the video, you can see Claire's heart rate rising as I focus on her and then falling again as I distract myself. I then focus again on Claire and you can see her breathing is synchronizing with my own. I end the demonstration with one more short period of focus. This is the data for the whole session and shows that I was influencing Claire's heart rate in another room, even though we could not hear or see each other. It is hard to explain the results from these experiments and from many others that we have conducted as solely the exchange of information from the conventional physical senses. The non-local synchronization points towards the existence of an additional sense, perhaps electromagnetic in nature, or a novel form of connection between the hearts and brains of the experimenters. We're calling on scientists, particularly those in the fields of psychophysiology and consciousness studies, to join us in researching this fascinating phenomenon, which we believe has the potential to transform our understanding of relationship psychology.